What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. So happy Monday, guys. Really looking forward to spreading more news for you all. So definitely starting onto the Explore page like we normally do, we're going to start off with the current price of Theta. As you can tell, the current price of Theta is at that 62-cent mark, as well as T-Fuel at that 3-cent mark, and T-Drop dropping just a tad down to that 0.0012 mark. So we'll see how the rest of this price action goes near the end of this year for 2023. I believe we're slowly entering into Q4 of 2023. So just some more news that I really do want to keep up in the current price of Theta, but just another reminder, none of my videos are really price predictions just because I feel like there's really no basis for it. So now diving on to Twitter, or now X. I really should probably get used to calling it that, but I feel like Twitter just sounds better at the moment in the making of this video. So going on to the Twitter, we're going to see here that Mitch says, great progress for Imagine Replay, heads down, I believe it's supposed to say hands down executing and developing Web3 video technology, no distractions. So going on to this actual tweet itself on the Theta network, the next Theta subchain is coming soon from Replay. Metachain architecture continues to expand with Lavita, Toon Stars, which is also space junk, as well as and many more to come. So as of right now, those are the ones who are in terms of that subchain. So we have Lavita, we also Imagine Replay, and we also have space junk, but I really haven't heard too much news in regards to the space junk subchain that's currently being released. That's just my own knowledge based on what I'm able to find in terms of the internet. So definitely comment down below if you've heard any other news or anything like that, just anything that may be different from the news I'm proposing in these videos. So going on to a little bit more, I do want to highlight that revolutionizing healthcare, Lavita's decentralized data marketplace empowers patients. So just because there's a lot of news for what this is with the new updates with your edge nodes, I do feel like this is a pretty important read. So this is just a little more of a recap for those who may not know what Lavita necessarily is, and it's a nice reminder of what the purpose is. It's roughly about a 2-minute read and was posted on August 29th of 2023. Lavita is revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare by putting patients at the center of their platform. By utilizing advanced privacy-preserving computation and AI models, they are creating a decentralized data marketplace that allows individuals to take control of their own health information while also incentivizing edge node operators through Lavita TNT20 tokens. Here's that subchain if you want to take a look at this, just so it looks like the users with secure devices, Theta Edge Node with Intel SGX, Theta Edge Store, and users. So here's a little bit of that type of lineage or linear equation for how this subchain will work in the near future. I'm sure there's going to be some more details, especially in the future, on how this will be actually put into use case, but we'll wait on that news as well. The potential impact of Lavita's platform is immense, as it has the ability to transform how researchers, doctors, and patients interact with each other when it comes to sharing data. With patients' consent at its core, this platform aims to break down the barriers that have long existed in healthcare by giving individuals control over their own information while also providing an opportunity for them to be rewarded for participating in clinical trials or sharing their data. Lavita's mission is to empower patients and provide them with the tools they need to take charge of their own health. And this platform does that by creating a decentralized marketplace where individuals can buy, sell, or trade their health data while also maintaining complete privacy and control over it. If you want to take a look, this says the AI-powered data research and validation. I do believe more so this whole purpose of Lavita is to have, for example, if you have a certain illness or things like that, and then you have a certain demographic, to collect data in that sense, and then that will be used for maybe possible cures or treatment for those ailments. But that's just the brief understanding what I can get based on what I've seen already online on Twitter and on their news on their Twitter page, basically is when they announce information. In an era where data breaches are becoming more common than ever before, Lavita's approach to healthcare is refreshing as it puts patients first and foremost. By utilizing advanced AI models and privacy-preserving computation techniques, they are creating a platform that not only incentivizes edge node operators but also ensures complete data security and patient confidentiality. In conclusion, Lavita's approach to healthcare is truly revolutionary as it puts patients at the center of everything they do while also providing an opportunity for them to be rewarded for participating in clinical trials or sharing their data. Their platform has the potential to transform how we approach healthcare and research by creating a decentralized marketplace where individuals can take control of their own information while also being rewarded for it. So essentially, it's kind of like rewarding those. It's kind of like how the whole Theta network is already rewarding peers for sharing their extra bandwidth. It's in a sense a consent for those patients to share that information just so they can build information or tally and research on that type of information that's being provided from us for example, if we were to consent to these type of platforms. So that's just my overall opinion. It's a little recap, actually, more of what Lavita is. Definitely comment down below what you guys think. If you would actually use this type of platform, maybe some will, some not. It's kind of hard to say because with Web3 is changing, evolutionizing, and revolutionizing the whole place where we are working or even just living normally. The thing I do like about it though is because it does seem a little promising having partnered with Epic. That is, if you're not too familiar, is a electronic health record system that a lot of, or I believe the majority of the United States uses, so that they're able to store all this information on your profile. For example, if you were to go to a doctor's office. So definitely comment down some comments down below, guys, if you have any information or anything in regards to Lavita or Theta. I really do appreciate that. But we'll definitely dive into a little bit more information just because I have some more information out there for you guys. Seeing here that Lavita tweets, Theta network validators and guardians, thank you for your unwavering support, has been instrumental in keeping their network strong. The first 25% Lavita token airdrop is progress, and now you should be able to receive it in your wallet. We encourage you to stake your Lavita tokens to help secure and govern the Lavita subchain and get over 80% annually. So it's just kind of hard to say with that high annual percentage, and there is a limited amount of Lavita tokens. It's just hard to say how that's going to be recycled onto the marketplace, but I believe that they do have that TNC20 token, and then that is their primary token, and maybe they'll use T-Fuel as a secondary token just so that they can have the whole network continue to prosper. But I don't know the exact tokenomics on how this platform will be utilized with those tokens, and I'm pretty sure there's still a lot of work to be in the works so that things can be successful. So we'll go on to a little bit more of a video seen right here, the Lavita. Check out your wallets, Theta stakers. Something is going on and it's good news. So we're going to refer back to the previous tweet where you are rewarded if you are a Theta validator as well as Guardian node, and I believe some other individuals have been saying that they also earn some Lavita. So for example, I believe some Guardian or Validator nodes may have rewarded those who have been staking onto those nodes, but that is just my own opinion. I'm not too sure if that's true or not. I just see it online. But for those who have been rewarded for staking on the specific Guardian nodes, definitely comment down below to see if that's actually true or not, or if it was just something that was posted online. But that's overall the Lavita type of information, and then that is the purpose for Lavita. So it's just something we'll see how that all goes in the near future. Step-by-step guidelines to participating in Theta Edge Node AI jobs for Lavita. This was posted on August 22nd of 2023. So scrolling down just a little bit of participating in Lavita's AI training jobs on the Theta Edge network is an exciting opportunity to contribute to healthcare AI efforts. Lavita jobs will begin with a small dataset for testing purposes that will take less time than the average AI training task. This will gradually increase as datasets become larger. Here's the minimum hardware requirements to run it. I just want to scroll down just a little bit more, seeing the steps on how to run your Edge network. If you don't already have a Theta Edge node running, start by downloading this information right here. If you want to run the command line version on Linux, please refer to this guide, which will provide instructions to run Theta Edge node from this Docker. Once you open the app, you'll see the Edge node dashboard as follows. Go to the settings and make sure the Lavita setting is enabled, as you can tell right here. It's a nice, really quick step-by-step, seeing that you have FedML, and here's that Lavita AI, which is referring to this article. Step 2, wait until the Theta Edge node connects to your wallet. Once you connect to the app, it will create a wallet automatically for new users, and existing users will be connected to their existing wallets as shown in the top left of the dashboard as of right here. Step 3. Edge nodes will be assigned with AI training jobs automatically. Your Theta Edge node will automatically download datasets that are required for the AI task. These datasets contain medical questions and answers data for training purposes. Your Theta Edge node will also automatically run the AI training code on the dataset provided using your PC's computational resources. Fine-tuning involves training pre-trained AI model using a medical dataset prepared by the Lavita platform to further customize for specific medical AI tasks. Once the fine-tuning process is completed, it will automatically upload the trained model file to cloud. Lavita platform will download the model files based on your unique Edge node ID and compute its own hash to verify that the uploaded files are authentic and have not been modified or tampered with. Once validated, user will be rewarded with Lavita tokens. The Lavita platform will evaluate the performance of your fine-tuned model against its own test dataset, such as achieving better performance than the baseline model. Here is that type of information that was just highlighted in that paragraph. After completing AI training jobs, you will receive Lavita tokens stored as V Lavita, voucher Lavita. These V Lavita can be easily transferred to the Theta main chain for including swapping to other tokens or sent to exchanges. Navigate to the wallet, as you can tell right here. If you want to make these type of exchanges, I'm sure people will, so they can stake their tokens. Scrolling down a little bit more, seeing here is the Lavita when you choose your network, and here is the VT Fuel and V Lavita. There are two ways to transfer V Lavita to the Theta main chain or Lavita. Sending V Lavita to any wallet you desire to transfer V Lavita, and click cross-chain transfer. Click send and then enter the address you choose to send the V Lavita, and the desired amount you want to send to your wallet. Go to your wallet and then you see that the Via Lavita, click on the cross-chain transfer, then choose Via Lavita from asset and enter the desired amount you want to send to the main chain to get Lavita. Once the transfer is complete, the amount will be reflected in your Lavita balance and Theta wallet's main chain display under the same wallet address. So that's how many people will get their Lavita tokens. Sending Via Lavita to your Theta node wallet's main chain, click on the meta chain, then choose Via Lavita and desired amount you want to send to the Theta mainnet. Once transferred is complete, the amount will be reflected in your Lavita balance on the Theta node wallet's main chain display under the same wallet address. Make sure you have enough T fuel so that it will be actually exchanged, because that's the gas fee for actually doing this transaction. And as you can tell here, it's going from one of the cross chains Theta wallet to another one that you want to transfer to, and then continuing running Theta Edge nodes for Lavita AI tasks. Keep running the Theta Edge node to share your computational resources and watch for announcements. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and there will be new tasks, datasets, and new opportunities in the medical field. By following these steps, you will actively contribute to Lavita's collaborative AI ecosystem and help drive advancements in medical AI using LLP. Your efforts will contribute to the development of the sophisticated medical AI models with the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery and research. So altogether, that is a new process for Lavita on how you can earn it, especially when you're staking, and just a more of a recap for those subchains as well as Lavita themselves on the importance of their project. But that is all I really have for today's video, guys. I really do appreciate you for coming back to the channel. Definitely, if you're an OG viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're a new viewer, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I posted this video, especially if you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships. Definitely check out that Imagine Replay referral link as well if you're trying to earn as much TNC20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. Until the next video, until the next Theta update though, it is your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.